This video is going to take us through the transactions in Work Together problem 3-4. There are 8 transactions and it's continuing with the others from 3-1, 3-2, and 3-3. So the chart of accounts is still the same. The Dirks Copy Center is our business and all the accounts have remained the same for the Work Together problems. So we are continuing in the month of April, the 22nd through the 30th. Notice there's 2 transactions on the 27th, so you do need to be careful that you don't skip one by accident. Also notice down here at the General Journal you have a page 1 now and a page 2. So when you run out of room on the bottom of one page, you go to the next page tab for page number 2 to finish the transactions there. So the directions remain the same. We are still with Norma Dirks and the Dirks Copy Center, and we're journalizing transactions from April 22nd through the 27th. The source documents remain the same there, and you can still refer back to your notes from chapter 3 to go over and to review some of these same transactions and what they look like when they are journalized. So again, please use these resources that are available to you for help when you're doing these problems. So the first transaction is paid cash for the water bill, which is also considered a utilities expense, $180. So this is not new. We did one like this previously when we did the utilities expense up here on the 19th. So it's basically going to look at the exact same way. So the 22nd, we're going to debit utilities expense. All expenses are increased on the debit side, and when expenses get paid, it's shown as an increase for that bill. C7 was the check number or the source document for $180. Cash is the asset, and cash is being decreased because we're paying out, and assets are decreased as a credit. So that's a $180 credit. On the 23rd, sold services on account to K Spa, $345, S2. So we've had one like this as well in the past, so now we sold some more services to this person. Basically we made a sale, but they're going to pay us later. So the date's the 23rd. The debit is the accounts receivable K Spa because we and assets are increasing on the debit side. S2 is the sales invoice number 2 for $345, and we credit sales. Sales are always increased on the credit side, so $345 credit for sales. The first number 27, paid cash to the owner as a withdrawal of equity for $420. So basically the owner withdrew money. Withdrawals are done just like an expense. They increase on the debit side. We're paying cash. Cash is an asset, and it decreases on the credit side. Always remember one debit, one credit. So if you know one, then you'll know the other just by kind of basic elimination there. So the first 27 right here, Norma Dirks drawing is debited. C8 is the check number for $420, and cash is the credit for $420. Again, don't forget you have 2 number 27s. Paid cash for supplies, so these are both assets. Supplies is increasing, so that's going to be the debit. Cash is decreasing, so that's going to be the credit for $66. Check number 9. So we'll scroll down here. The 27th, supplies debited, C9 for $66. Cash is the credit because it's decreasing for $66. And that's the bottom of that page. So then we have to click on to page 2 to continue the rest of the transactions. The 28th, paid cash for postage, so stamps. So we don't really have an account called postage expense. So in this case, it's going to be done as a miscellaneous expense for $35. So we're on now the top of page 2 on the 28th. Because we're going to a new page, we now have to write the month again. So on the previous transactions, we were just writing the day of the month, but now we have to put the month down again because we went on to the second page. So miscellaneous expenses, the debit, all expenses increase on the debit side. C10 is check 10, $35. Cash is decreasing as a credit for $35. The 29th, received cash on account from K Spa, $200. So up here, we sold services. Now they're going to pay us for part of that amount they owe us, receipt number 3. So cash is going to be debited because it's increasing. R3 for receipt 3, $200 is the debit, and accounts receivable case spot is credited for $200 because to show that they paid us that amount. And the last one on the 30th, received cash from sales, $745, tape number 30. So down here, cash is increased on the 30th. T30 is the document number for 745. Sales is always shown as an increase as a credit, so 745. So again, these are very much the same as previously. Finish up this 3-4 work together and then move on to the on your own problem. Don't try to rush through this. Take your time. Don't skip any of these, and don't forget that you do have 2 pages here to get through.